Hello, Facebook land. Welcome to our first live presentation from Einstein's workshop. Like everyone else, we're currently kind of hanging out at the house, trying to, get rid of this whole sickness that we got going on here. Speaking of which, real quick, I'm just gonna. That's your line. And,
6 feet apart.
and that's your line. You guys just stay right there. So as you can see, we have gotten together for a few minutes to talk together. But we are mostly, for the most part, working from home, as you guys are as well, hopefully staying safe and healthy. So what are we doing? So we're Einstein's workshop. We do all kinds of cool STEM material. We do STEM classes, and of course we can't really do those right now, so we thought we'd try and bring some resources to you guys at home. My name's Adam.
My name's Erica.
And
My name's Annika.
and also, if anyone's on the Facebook Live right now and can tell us if they can hear us with this microphone, because this is all very new, we're gonna get a test case scenario going on out there. You can hear me? Yeah. All right. Cool. So what have we been doing in Einstein's workshop? Well, the first thing that we did was we went through and tried to find as many of our classes that we could kind of offer to you guys online, to try and deliver to you guys at home. Unfortunately, we quickly realized that a lot of what we do requires you to have tools, accessories, things that you might not have access to at home. So we went through and parsed through and found some other stuff that we can do. And in that vein, we launched a new webpage, the virtual learning page on Einstein's Workshop homepage. So if you would like to go check that out, Erica, if someone went to our virtual learning webpage, what would they find there?
They're going to find a lot of brand new resources that our teachers have been working on, all kind of in their wheelhouse. So we have a teacher here who teaches a lot of Minecraft, and he's done a redstone tutorial for you guys out there, all made just for kids. We also have some different kinds of animations in there. We have one in Pencil 2D. We have one in pixel art in there as well. So you'll find a bunch of video tutorials for online resources. And you're also going to find some printable activities that you can have as well. So most of them will have kind of a topic. We have one on bugs in there. We have one on gelatin in there. And it has a couple of learning points in it. And then some really fun activities that you can do with all stuff around the house. And then after that, you're actually going to find some even more resources that you can use and kind of explore as well that we have tested and that we enjoy.
Yep. Well, you kind of took the wind out of my sails, but I was going to say, so I did a Pencil 2D animation tutorial, which is cool. It was a lot of fun. Annika, what have you put on the website so far?
So I just wrapped up recording a video for using the pixel art website and program. That one also has animation capabilities, but this one was just a basic tools overview.
Yep, so you might see another video come up. So this teaches you how to use pixel art. Really fun tool to just try and play with for a while. Make some really cool art, and we'll probably be putting another animation style video up eventually here pretty soon. Erica, what have you put up on the website?
I'm much more of kind of a hands-on person, so I'm looking into a bunch of activities that you can do at home. So not going past just, the basic activity and what you're making, but also adding some learning points in there as well, and ways that you can kind of engage your kids who might be a little out of their minds at home lately, in some different STEM concepts and honing that concept in with different activities. So some experimental ones, some where you're actually building.
If you like food, check out Erica. Erica likes to play with food.
I do really like to play with food.
Gelatin,
butter,
baking,
purple butter actually.
So, so we got a Minecraft texture video Tristan did. Kendall's gonna have a video going up about how to stay 6 feet away using chalk and outside, and other great videos and material. That would be really cool. Another thing is we're gonna try going live a little bit more often. Again, we're super new to this. You'd think that as a tech company, this would be something that would be kind of in our wheelhouse, but actually, we're used to getting in front of kids and doing things in a classroom. So actually doing things virtually is totally new to us, but we're excited about it. So tomorrow at about 10 a.m., I'm going to be going live, probably on Zoom, I think, and doing a video on, or we're going to get together doing a Lego build. So I would like to get a bunch of people together. We're going to try and build some Lego, designing our perfect shelter. So that'll be a lot of fun. And then on Monday, I'm also going to go live doing a marble roller coaster run. That should be a lot of fun using crafts in the home. So check out the website because it'll have all the details, times, what method we're going live on, and any supplies you'll need, like what you need to bring to the table. And I'm sure that other people here will also be coming up with cool live opportunities as well soon. So yeah, anything else? I mean, check the website. I think that basically has everything you need.